So finally, our decentralized music Dapp for our artist is completed. And if I come back to the notification, I have included one more feature. So when a user will listen to a complete music, we're going to reward them a native token. So you can reward them any ERC20 token, or you can reward them Ether or anything. So this is the model I have included, and here you will find all the terms and conditions which they have to fulfill to claim this particular token. So right now, this particular user who logged in, which is my account. So here is the condition we have applied for rewarding the user. So if they want to claim a token, they have to listen to a complete song, at least 5. That's the condition I've applied. You can raise this number to any number, but this is the condition I've applied. So if they want to claim, they have to listen 5 music, and they cannot skip the music. So let me come back here, and if I come back, I'm going to select this particular music and I'm going to play this music. So once the music will complete, it's going to make a call to our backend, and it's going to change the state and the data that the user has successfully listened to the music. So here we got this particular notification that we have successfully listened to the complete music, and if I come back here, it went to 2. But the moment I try to skip, so I have selected any music and I played that music, and if I try to skip and try to think that once the music will over, let me bring it here, and the music is over, I'm going to get the reward. That's not going to be happen. If they want to claim the reward, they have to listen to an entire music. So this is the perfect business model which allow the user to keep in your platform, and that's how you can generate interaction. So you can add multiple business model into this particular Dapp. So this is the feature I have included. So right now you can see it has only 3 played. If they want to claim a token, they have to listen 2 more music. So let me come back and let me quickly listen to a music. So come back to the home, and I'm going to select this particular one and let the music will complete successfully. Once the music will complete successfully, and finally I have listened to the music, come back here and I have to listen one more time. So if I come back here, if I simply select the same music and I'm going to play that. So they have to listen at least 5 music, which is the condition I have applied, but you can raise that number to any number. So successfully I have listened the 5 music and I got the terms and condition fulfilled. Now if I scroll down here, you will find a button which allow them to claim the token. So right now we are rewarding the user 5 TBC token. So this is the token which is the native token. You can reward them Ether, whatever you can. So this is the token we are rewarding. I can simply make a claim, and it's going to make a call to our smart contract, and the token will be transferred to this particular address. So click on this confirm, and here the transaction is taking place. So if you open the MetaMask, you can see the transaction is happening. We are calling this token reward function which we have in the contract, which we are calling, and here the transaction went successfully. So if you come back to the notification, you will find still now we have to listen 5 more to get 5 more token, and if I scroll down, the button is not available. So this is the best feature. If you come back here in the ICO token, you can see this went down to 70. Earlier it was 75. So we have successfully transferred the token and rewarded the user because he or she listened to the music. So this is the best strategy which you have to implement when you are building any type of blockchain Dapp, play to earn, like gaming plat tab. So this is the best model you have to include to attract more user, to keep them on your Dapp, so you can make money through other streams. So this is the feature I have included to retain the user on our Dapp. So I can collaborate with different tools, ad campaign which I can display and make more money. Even I can charge higher amount to those artists who will create their music on our Dapp. So in that way, they will also get a view and like and their popularity, and will also make money. So this is the perfect strategy which you can implement. So I hope you guys have watched the demo which I have explained you in this video. It's a quite big 1 hour 30-minute video. In that I have explained every single thing about the smart contract, that how it's working and how you have to do all the setup. So make sure to watch it. This is one of the best project which you will include in your portfolio if you are learning blockchain development. And if you really want to start the business in the DeFi, in the decentralized ecosystem, then this is the idea which you can take from this particular project, because this project is real world project. You can simply like or uncomment, like you can simply able to check which we have created in the contract. That's all you can able to find. You can simply click and you can able to have the details about this music, which is stored in a decentralized ecosystem inside the smart contract, and that's what we are fetching, and you can able to find here. You can click here, it will take you to the explore section. There you will find all the transactions have taken place so far into this particular contract. So this is really powerful. Let me try to simply claim 5 more tokens. So what I'm going to do, this is the smallest music we have. I'm to simply click on this and it's going to play the music, and I'm going to simply claim the 5 more token. So this is the best business model which you can include. So here I have listened to that one, it's went up. Let me quickly listen to the 5. And this is the last one. Just play one more time and the condition is fulfilled. So just wait. And here we have fulfilled the condition. If you come back to the notification, we have listened 5 music. Now I am ready to claim the token. So click on this claim token. It's going to make a call to our smart contract and we can able to transfer the token to our wallet address. So click on confirm. So this is the best strategy which you will include in your Dapp for keep engagement, attract more investor, and you can able to provide your service in a better way. So this is the best way which you can promote your any token which you want to provide in the platform. So here the transaction is completed, the token is transferred successfully. If you come back to the notification, it's went up to 5. You can follow this all user, you can follow all the user we have created. You can simply follow all of them. All of this data is changing at real time. You can simply unfollow them and all the data will change. You can come back to the home page. There you will find all the NFT which we have created. You can click on this. There you will find all the comment we have created for this particular NFT. You can click on that. That's all you will find. You can like a comment or you can unlike. That's all you can do. So everything is look. You can also put a comment here, whatever you can put, and the comment will take place. Here we have the comment. So every single thing is working absolutely fine. You can see you can able to delete the comment. So that's what we have on the home page. If you come back to the viral sound, this is how it's going to look. You can pick a music and you can simply play. All of these data changing currently. If you click on this, you can able to like the music. So we have liked it. If you come back to the explore section, there you will find all the artists who are using our platform and all the music. If you come back to the notification, this is what we have. If you come back to the profile, this is how your profile would look like. So how many users you are following, how many following you have, how many followers you have, how many posts you have created, and there is all the stats which you can able to find and unfollow and follow. Here you will find the top profiles. So you can simply click and you can search. If you want to create, you can click here and you can you will be redirected here and you can able to create the music. So here you will find the list of music you have created. You can easily able to search. So if I want to search Rayan, I can search that music. I want to simply deploy and I can create. If I come back here, you can able to find a multiple options. So you can click here internal decentralized exchange. So you can connect with the DeFi and you can able to buy token, swap token, and buy NFT. Then we have this music details. So whatever music you will select, that's all detail will change here. So if I select this one, everything is changing at real time. That's what we have. Here you will have the option for global search. So here we have bunch of artists who have created their music. So if you want to find your favorite artist, let's find Daulat, and there it is, Daulat. So you can able to find that one. If you come here, from here you can able to buy credit. So those artists who want to use our platform for creating the music, they have to buy the credit, and for that we are charging this much fund. And we are also selling this verify badge. So if they want to buy this verify badge, they have to simply pay the money and they have to buy. This particular account which I have connected with is already verified. That's why you are not getting this option. But if the user is not verified, you will have a similar button like that which user will click and they will verify their account. This is what we have included. This is the global search bar we have. You can search for any sound. So we'll say sound, and this is going to filter out all the music. So this is the global search bar. Same thing for the, here we have notification. So it looks absolutely perfect. I hope you guys have checked this particular project. If not, I would suggest you to come back here and watch this video. This will teach you that what exactly we're going to build. So once you will have a better idea that what is coming in the project, in that way you can able to prepare yourself that what are the tools and technology you're going to learn. Everything is explained in this video, so make sure to watch it. And here I have given you all the resources which you need to develop this application. So come back here in the source code section. There you can simply search for the project, or you can simply do with this recent project. And this is the project. And here we have this particular video in which I have explained that if you get the final source code, how you have to do the setup. So you can click on this get now. You will come back here. You can able to get the starter file. So click here. You will redirect to the GitHub. Here I have given you all the instruction, all the assets, all the icons. That's all is provided to you, which we're going to simply clone the starter file and we're going to start building. So if you take the final source code, here is the start setup video which you can watch. So this is the starter file. If you come back here, and here we have this particular video which you can simply watch that what exactly there and how you have to do the setup once you will get the final source code. So this is what we have here. So I hope you have understood, because this is the project which I'm currently working on. 80% is done and it's in the editing phase. Now I have to do the other recording. But when you will take the final source code, in that you will have the complete code which you can see in the demo. You will get that exactly. Even I have included this particular feature which I have shown you. This feature is already there, so you can check. So if you have any suggestion, do let me know. So I'll try to include in that. And let me show you the code base. So once you will take the final source code, these are the three things you will get. So this is the code. Here we have the starter file, and here I have done the update, which the recent update I have done. So this is the recent update in which I have included this token reward system and this particular code which I have explained in this particular video. So I have added only one feature for rewarding token. So you can simply run the way I have run this particular code in this video. You have to run the exact code, this code exactly in the same way. The way we have run this one, you have to do exactly the same thing, same deployment and same address changes. And just for the token reward system, you can click here and you can come back to the context. Here we have the constant, and here I have added extra variable called reward logs, means the terms and conditions. So if they listen successfully 5 music, then we are allowing them to make a call to the contract and transfer the token. You can increase this number to any number. I'm going with 5, but you can increase it to any number. If I show you the smart contract, I have added only one feature. Here we have the ICO contract. Inside that, this is the only function I have included, which transfer the user and reward them based on their music performance. Okay, hope you guys have understood. So when you will take the source code, this is what you will get, and you have to execute the code the way we have executed this code in this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and you have to do exactly the same thing. So that's the only thing from my end, and make sure to get the starter file, and we're going to code this particular project together, and you will learn how to build this kind of dapp or a decentralized ecosystem. So that's the only thing I want to tell you all, that this is the feature we have included, and soon a project is coming on the channel, so you can follow that. And as you can see, this project is going to be big. We have a lot of things are going on. We have to build the entire backend. So there is a huge file we have to code: controller, middleware, models, routers, upload. So there is tons of things we have in this particular project. So once you will build this particular project, I can assure you that you are ready to build any type of application in Web2 ecosystem and Web3 ecosystem. You can build any application. This is the must build project you have to include, and this is the industry ready project. So this kind of application is already there in the market, and we are building similar kind of project. So once you will have the similar kind of project, when you're going to prove in your resume, when you're going to sit in the interview, when you're going to display these kind of things, it's going to increase your confidence, and they will trust the employer. Those who are going to hire you, they're going to trust you that you know the work. And even you can simply start your own business. You can build some business on top of it. I'm targeting for the music industry. You can target for any other artists, like video. You can target for painting. So the same model you can apply in different business model. So this is what we're going to build. So make sure to watch this video to have a complete understanding. Come back here and get the starter file, and soon we're going to start following the tutorial. So with that, I'm ending this video. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to respond to that, and I will try to include in the project. So with that, I'm ending this. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.